Kiama kiria kiramataga mahenya guku bururi-ini Athletics Kenya kugerera muikariri giti wa kiama giki county ya Nairobi Barnabas Korir nikiranire kuheana makiria ma maabitha 100 aria magateithiriria na njira nene ikereka-ini ria mwaka uyu ria mahenya ma Stanchart Marathon na maria makahorwo mwaki muthi wa kiumia.
Monitoring and organizing this event. At the heart of it, we have also highly qualified technical officials that will be manning the start and finish in all the categories from 42, 21 and 10 kilometers, and of course also the CU events.
Mahenya maya matafanagio o mwaka na muoroto wa guteithiriria andu aria mari na mathina ma kuona na makiria ma ateng'eri 20,000 nio meyandikithitie kunyita itemi ikereka-ini ria mwaka uyu.
Next, being assured that security will be provided for the participants and for those other persons like me who will not be running and also be safe.
Hindi uyu ruhonge ruria ruramataga mathako thukuru-ini cia gukuria taranda mathako-ini ni ruo Kenya Sports Academy umuthi unyitaniri na anyiti itemi ngurani ni manjiriirie kigamano gia kwaririria ciigi mawatho na mitaratara iria bati ni kurumirirwo angikorwo riendekithia ria guthondeka thukuru cia taranda o gicigo kia ubunge ni rigukinyanirio.
We acknowledge that the proper, well-structured coaching and training will foster the nurturing of Kenya's youth sports talent that we do have within our midst.
I note with appreciation that in these regulations you have included the basics such as what the sports academy should have, the technical and administrative staff required, and equipment needed. When fully implemented, these programs should be able to provide our children with basic training which will go a long way in imparting the proper technical skills to our young sports person.
Mathako maria megukorwo magikuruhanio thukuru-ini ici ni hamwe na gabira ka maguru, muthako wa gonya, muthako wa ikabu, muthako wa hoki, mahenya oro ndumwe na muthako wa golf. Athaki Michael Olunga na Claudensia Akinyi ni amwe a athaki aria magunikire na thukuru ici. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.